first product, Future Assist. Future Assist specific target customer is for general, which means everyone can use this product.
He needs one.
Good afternoon, Tim. How can I help you today?
They greet me by name. They do that for everyone.
Having Live Assist itself from the ATM, the customers just need to say their name and the Live Assist will assist them in multilingual language such as Spanish, Latin, and many more. This type of ATM provide cash, coins, and also checks for their customers. Customer can choose to use headphones or earphones for the Live Assist that will be provided in the ATM counter. Future Assist helps our customer to make their life easier and convenient.
He can use his own headphones or pick up the handset. They even have Spanish-speaking tellers.
Sí, te puedo ayudar con eso.
And they let him cash checks to the penny.
WeBank will introduce you new services, which is Smartphone Connection. Smartphone Connection is targeting to everyone because everyone wants to withdraw money. Firstly, go to the ATM machine and take out your phone. Log into FastPay and pick the amount that you want, for example, 1,500, and then confirm it at the ATM machine. The specialty of these services is extra security because we have to use our own voice.
ATM'sine gidin. FastPay'inize giriş yaparak sesle para çek ikonuna dokunun. Telefonunuza çekmek istediğiniz para tutarını söyleyin.
FastPay bana 100 lira ver.
ATM ekranında karşınıza çıkan onay kelimelerini FastPay'inize doğru tekrarlayın
Deniz Yıldız.
ve onayınızı verin.
Evet.
Paranızı çektiniz bile. İşte bu kadar kolay.
WeBank also provide Bank Check Express service for the customer, which is retargeted to the business customer, for example, firm, real estate, and other. As we know, business is the critical part of running a business, and they have insufficient times to making a printing. So this service are giving a helpful service, which is they can print out at their own office. This service just can be done in an easy way, which is we have to sign on using a username and also password according to the business and also bank requirement. Later, it will be very easy for the checking, request, and also printing of the any statements through the online.
With Bank Check Express, official checks can be requested, printed, and managed in an efficient and secure manner. To begin the simple process, sign on to Bank Check Express with a 3-level sign-on credential that includes domain, user ID, and password. Each user has permission settings that are individually configured based on your organization's specifications and bank requirements. To request checks, you can submit an individual request, or upload a batch of checks. After reviewing your check request data one final time, simply click Submit and your requests will be routed for approval. To expedite approval, the request is now routed by email to your organization's approver. They sign on and approve or deny check requests. Denials and reasons are logged in the processing history report. Following approval from your organization, the check request is sent to the bank for final review and funds transfer. After the bank approves the request, which happens in just minutes, an email is sent to the user that has been assigned check printing responsibilities. After successfully logging in, the user clicks Print to release the check for printing to a designated printer in your office. It's quick, easy, and efficient. Brilliant!
Besides,
Citibank also provide mobile cash withdrawal service. This service offers to general customers, which means everyone can use it. How to use it? First, it requires software installation at the ATM, and then you just have to download the application. How to sign in is just enter the PIN number and then scan on 2D barcode to begin. It works on the smartphone with a camera. The advantage of using this service is speeds up consumer interaction and reduces skimming fraud.
Let's first start by talking about the ATM equipment that I will be demonstrating on today. This is an NCR self-serve 22E, and one of the first things that you'll notice about this is that it has no additional hardware on it. There's no NFC reader and there's no barcode scanner. The other thing that you'll notice is this 2D barcode. This is the technology we'll use to let the ATM and mobile phone communicate with each other, and it's enabled through a software installation that's part of the deployment of this solution. So for the mobile part of the solution, I'm using an Android phone and a downloadable app. Our intention, of course, is to make the solution available as a downloadable application for all the major mobile operating systems. First, I'm going to start the application on my phone, and then as you'd expect, I need to authenticate myself. In this case, we're going to use a PIN. And now the application will walk me through the setup. So I'm going to choose which account I want to withdraw the funds from, and then I'm going to choose the amount. In this case, I'll choose $10. I'm going to hit the scan button. It will open up the camera on my phone, and I'll take it to scan the 2D barcode. And that will initiate the transaction. Once the transaction is completed, my mobile application automatically updates with a confirmation, an electronic receipt of my transaction. So that's it. I've completed an ATM withdrawal using the mobile phone. We think this is a great solution that's going to benefit both the consumer and the bank. From the consumer's perspective, you get a lot of convenience by speeding the transaction up. And then from the bank's perspective, you'll notice that there's no opportunity for any skimming because we're not using an actual card. In addition, there's no additional hardware to buy for the ATM, so it's easy to install as a software implementation.
Finally, our bank also going to present with a new Smart Vault automated locker system. This service is going to be launched next year, which is in 2018. This service is mainly targeted to your family members who want their valuables to be kept safe. The Smart Vault is powered by revolutionary robotic technology that minimizes the human intervention while operating the locker. The Smart Vault is equipped with the most evolved and intelligent security systems. Stay a step ahead in safety. Come experience the smart way of accessing your valuables with Smart Vault locker system. It can be accessed anytime, any day.
You can now access your locker anytime, any day at your convenience. The multi-level security check through debit card and biometric authentication ensures you a safe and secure access. Smart Vault offers you the most convenient way of accessing your locker. Simply enter your ATM PIN and select your locker number. Your request will be serviced by state-of-the-art robotic technology. Which will scan your coordinates with a unique RFID code, assuring you a flawless and smooth operation. Within just a few minutes, your locker will be at your disposal. To offer you additional security, your locker comes with an inbuilt unbreakable lock system, and you can comfortably access your valuables in the lounge. To end your locker operation, secure the lock with your master key and press the exit button. The robotic arm will place your locker safely in the fortified vault. Experience the privacy, the security, and the freedom of accessing your locker anytime.